The New Jersey Museum of Transportation is found in charming Allaire National Park near Farmingdale, New Jersey. The Pine Creek Railroad operating in the park runs on narrow gauge track just 3 feet apart. Most of the buildings on site were once actual railroad buildings from around the state of New Jersey. This little girl looks for the best seat on the train. The locomotives and cars come from all over the Americas, Canada and Hawaii. One special locomotive hails from Ireland. Your ride around the park takes you past this old presidential car. It is obviously waiting to be restored. Kids love the chance to ride in a real caboose. Even Cabbage Patch dolls enjoy a great American train ride every now and then. The yard is chock full of these Plymouth switchers. Steam trains like this Shay operate on weekends. Vintage diesels during the week. After taking this second diesel for a spin, it is parked back in the yard. Part of the museum's commitment is to restoration work. You will see evidence of it going on everywhere.